Welcome. In this tutorial, we'll show you how to create a booking form in Universal so you can start accepting customer appointments online. First, log into your Universal dashboard. From the left-hand menu, go to the Sales section and click Add Booking Form. You'll begin with the booking form details. Enter a form name for your internal reference, then add a public name and public description. This information is what your customers will see when they open your booking page. Next, choose your payment preference. You can allow customers to book with payment or allow them to complete their booking without making a payment. Now, choose how appointments should be confirmed. Select Instant Confirmation if you want appointments to be accepted automatically, or choose Approval Required if you'd like to review each booking request before confirming it. Once you've made your selection, click Next. Now you'll configure your service booking settings. Select the services that customers can book using this form. You can also choose what information is displayed by enabling options such as Show Service Price, Show Service Thumbnail Image, Show Service Description, and Show Service Duration. If you'd like customers to book multiple services in a single appointment, simply enable that option. As you make your selections, you'll see the selected services displayed on the right. If you need to create a new service, click Add New. Enter the service name, service price, service hours, and minutes. Then assign the appropriate employee. If needed, you can also make the service available in your inventory. Next, add a service description, upload a service image, and click Add to save the service. Finally, review your booking form before publishing it. Choose whether appointments should be handled as store-level booking or employee-specific booking. If you choose employee-specific booking, select the employees who can receive appointments. Only employees with an active schedule will be available for selection. You can also enable the option to allow customers to choose their preferred employee. When this option is enabled, customers will only see the employees you've selected. For additional customization, you can enable customer consent before submission if you'd like customers to accept your terms before completing their booking. You can also enable tracking by adding a meta pixel, Google Tag Manager, or your own custom tracking pixel to measure conversions and visitor activity. On the right side of the screen, you'll see a live preview of how your booking form will appear to your customers. Once you've reviewed everything and you're satisfied with your setup, click Create Your Booking Form is now live and ready to start accepting customer appointments. You can add it on your website or share it by email, SMS, QR code, or to any social apps. That's it! You've successfully created a booking form in Universal, making it easy for customers to schedule appointments while giving you complete control over services, employees, payments, and booking preferences. Now that the booking form is created, let's see how customers will book through it. Open the HTML viewer to preview the live booking form. Here, customers can select a service, choose an available date and time, and if enabled, select their preferred employee. Next, they enter their booking details and proceed to confirm the appointment. If payment is enabled, customers will complete the payment before booking. Finally, the booking will either be confirmed instantly or sent for approval depending on the settings you selected earlier. And that's how customers can book appointments using your booking form.